Plant cells. Biology lesson 2. We are going to talk about plant cells. What are cells? All living things are made of tiny structures called cells. Most cells are too small to be seen with naked eye. We can use a microscope to see through plant cells. Now we're going to talk about the structure of a plant cell. First, we'll be talking about the main part of a cell, the cell wall. The cell wall is this thick line we can see, and this one particular part is called one cell. Now we'll be talking about the cell wall. What is the cell wall? The cell wall is the outer cover of a plant cell. It holds the shape of the cell. The cell wall is made up of a material called cellulose. It is quite stiff and strong. Now we'll be talking about the next part, and it's called cell membrane. It's a thin and flexible string-like thing we meet after the cell wall. We can see it right here. So now let's talk about that. What is the cell membrane? All cells have a cell membrane. It is very thin and flexible. The cell membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell. Now we'll be talking about a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is in the inside of the cell. What is cytoplasm? All cells have cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance. Chemical reactions happen inside this jelly. These reactions keep the cell alive. Now we'll be talking about nucleus. Nucleus is the most important part of a cell. Plant cells have nucleus. The nucleus contains chromosomes. It controls the activities of the cell. Now, we'll talk about the large vacuole. The large vacuole is in the center of the cell, as you can see, this part. What is the large vacuole? Many plant cells have a large vacuole. It is a fluid-filled space in the cell. It contains a sugary solution called cell sap. Now we'll be talking about interesting part in the cell. It's called chloroplast. These dark green color blobs you can see here inside the cell, and they are called chloroplast. Let's see. What is chloroplast? Plant cells that are in the sunlight often contain chloroplasts. This is where the plants make their food, which is also called photosynthesis. Chloroplasts look green because it contains a pigment called chlorophyll. Summary of the lesson. All living organisms are made out of cells. All cells contain a cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and a large vacuole. Plant cells in the light may also contain chloroplasts. Thanks for watching. Hope you will have a nice day. Bye.